here we go. I am headed out to cut firewood. Today's New Year's Day. I think the thermometer said it's 20 degrees out with a crosswind. It's in the single digits. But I wanted to just make a video about this truck. So this is a 2000 Chevy LS2500. And when we get inside, I started up, we'll look at the mileage. But this truck has hauled hundreds and hundreds of loads of firewood. And I mean, clean up past the hood, or the top of the cab, loaded full. And although the frame and stuff's gone to the point where I can't get it inspected anymore, so we weld patches on it and we just keep using her, but she just keeps going. I did have to have the transmission rebuilt once, but other than that, this thing, I mean, they just go. And I told my wife the other day, I said, if I could find a truck exactly like this one, in a 3/4 ton or 1 ton, that was in good shape and I could get it cheap, I'd buy it in a heartbeat. Because it has a 6-liter gas engine in it. And, well, let's see what the mileage is. Now, the battery, she's getting a little weak here. So, she starts a little rough, but... Uh-oh. What in the world's going on here? Is she that dead? Oh. Well, she done dead. I guess she couldn't, oh, I forgot my drink. I'll have to go back in and get that. But anyway, let's see. So she's got, let's see if it shows up. She's got 184,088 miles on her. And I can tell you, they were hard miles. But anyway, just wanted to do a video real quick on this truck. 2000. Oh, come on. So close. 2000 Chevy LS2500. If you can pick one up cheap, buy it. She'll last. Take good care of her. Change the oil. Good maintenance. You'll be good. All right, here we go.